Hi guys, I wanted to give you a heads up. Tomorrow is our quarterly release. It's called Denim and Coffee. It is so cute. You'll see a new video come out tomorrow. I'll go into more detail about the products, but I just wanted to share really quickly the cute collection. It's so adorable. I'll have it listed as a bundle and I'll have products listed individually. So we do have a brand new one and done stamp set by Teresa, who is fresh and renewed with Teresa. It's all about coffee, so it goes perfect with the release. So that comes out tomorrow. So if you already have your one and done die, you're going to want to pick up the super cute new stamp set to go with it. And here are the two cards I created for the new release. They turned out so super cute. I absolutely love this color palette. I also restocked a bunch of paper pads, so if you've been waiting for these, tomorrow would be a great time to pick it up with the new release. There are limited quantities, so if you see one that you were waiting for, don't wait too long before this restock is gone. So I did restock the Warm Winter Friends card fronts. This one has sentiments on the back, but they do not coordinate with the Teresa's one and done. You'll just have to trim these out with your trimmer. I thought this would go perfect with the release, the cream to my coffee. So beautiful brown colors there. It also goes super well with the mocha season. I just restocked this one. This one was sold out right away. Beautiful from this month's release. French Toile, this one always sells out. Restocked it again. Boho Critters, and we do have matching ephemeras to most of these collections, so look out for that. We have Frosted and Fabulous, really pretty blues for the winter. We have a Halloween paper pad. This is Meow-O-Ween. Really cute. There's some cutouts in here, so we don't have ephemera for this paper pad, but the images are inside, so you just trim those out with your scissors, and then you can make your own ephemera. There's 2 sheets in there, so you get 4 of each, and I believe there was another sheet of cutouts. Nope, there's only 1 sheet of cutouts in there of images. So really nice paper pad for Halloween projects. We do have 3 more Halloween paper pads in the works. You will see those probably, you'll probably see those early next month. We have Hashtag Coffee and Books Volume 2. This one's really popular. I know I've sold a lot of the ephemera lately, so if you were waiting for the paper pad, it's now back in stock. I got a lot of requests for the Pumpkin Market, so we do have ephemera for this one as well. Super gorgeous. Rustic Christmas is a favorite. This one's super pretty for your Christmas cards. Little bit vintage looking. And then this one, Pumpkin Spice Latte, a really pretty palette with that teal and the orange. We do have ephemera for this one as well. And a Woodland Christmas. So we have super cute ephemera for that. I think it's still in stock. I'm pretty sure it's still in stock, but I think it's running low. Really gorgeous paper pad. So that is the new restock, and meet me back tomorrow at 9 a.m. for the new release. I can't wait to share in more detail with you guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.